Hi, my dear Odooers. Sometimes not knowing which campaigns convert and which do not can be a nightmare for marketers. Fortunately, it's possible to track where your visitors come from. As we already saw what URLs are and how they work in two other videos, today we'll only focus on UTMs. UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module, and UTMs are parameters used in web page URLs to track the effectiveness of online campaigns across traffic sources and publishing media. So, Ludwig, would you have an idea of what we could track with Odoo?
Well, since Odoo recruits a lot of new colleagues, why not track a job offer, for example?
That's a good idea. So note that to do this, we will need to install the recruitment app. But for now, let's jump into our database to see how this works. So here we are on one of our job offers, as you can see. And you have this nice URL here, which will show the job and then the title of the job. And Odoo will generate the URL automatically based on the elements inside the database's backend. And that's also the URL where we will add our UTM parameters. Since we'll share this page on social media, such as LinkedIn, to speed up the recruitment process, it would be useful to track the source parameters. So what we're going to do is click on Promote, and then we're going to go to Link Tracker. From this view, we can tell Odoo which parameters we want to track and what the info linked to those parameters are. So let's go ahead for campaign. Let's say job campaign, medium. I'm going to click on LinkedIn. And then for the source, I will click LinkedIn as well. And then we're going to go ahead and get a tracked link. So I'm going to click on that. Odoo will generate the link. And then we're going to scroll down here where we can have this nice view on our track links. And I can modify this URL a little bit if I would like to. So instead of EFLO, let's go ahead and say designer. Okay, I think that is a lot nicer as the URL. And then we can copy this, or we can check the stats as well. So this will show us the number of clicks per day, and that will be displayed as a line chart. And it will also show us the countries of origin for the clicks, and that will be displayed as a pie chart. But for now, we're going to go ahead and simply copy this, and then we're going to see what happens when we search this in another window. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this link. And then here in the URL, you're going to see the UTM parameters that we set with the campaign, the medium, and the source. So all of that can be found up there. Now it's up to you to share your job offers and track their worldwide activity. And that's it for this video. It was pretty easy to set up, right? Thank you for watching. And if I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.